Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We are working today on this, or testing this Tokamori Scar L. So this one came in with a broken frame on the side here for the blowback unit. So that was broken, and also some intermittent issues with it stopping. We fault-finded the issues with a gate sensor error. Coming up as overheat when it wasn't, we upgraded to the 4.2 firmware, reset the factory defaults, and reprogrammed all the settings, and it seems to have resolved the issue instantaneously. So yeah, a dramatic difference from having a problem to not having one. So we think that that's all sorted for you. And also with obviously the blowback bar, we've replaced it with an EagleSix one that we've made, and as you can see there, the blowback frame's all working, and just demonstrate it to so yeah, as you can see there, blowback frame's all working. So obviously that's one we've made. I know there's a few people that want them because obviously it's a popular part that commonly breaks. I haven't got any more, but this one obviously clearly works, and there was only a tiny mod that I'll just do on the final version, just to make it slightly easier on the install. But other than that, it's basically ready. So what I'll do is I'll create a listing. I might possibly open it for pre-order in the meantime while I try and source the first batch. And then hopefully we can finally get this product into people's hands, because I know everybody's been asking them for ages, and apologies for not testing it sooner. So I've had this prototype for ages and just never got around to testing it, but yeah, it's like I say, all working, all tested, and like I say, we hope you enjoy the part and the gun that we've repaired. So thank you.